Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and I'm here with another one of our weekly Ninja Creami recipes. And this one is just oh so good. It tastes absolutely amazing. I can't stop eating it. And it is blueberry ice cream. You've all been asking me for a delightful blueberry one, and this is it. And it's just so easy to do. You can mix it all apart from warming up the blueberries in your container to save you on time, and you can use fresh or frozen blueberries in this recipe.
First, let me explain to you who we are. If you're new around here, my name is Sam, and I've been teaching people how to cook smart with just kitchen gadgets for over 10 years. In fact, we don't even have an oven or a hob in our kitchen. We are double Sunday Times bestsellers, and The Independent calls us the best for beginner cooks. But because we've been creating videos for a while, we've ended up with more than 1,500 recipe videos on our YouTube channel. So what we have done is we have created a recipe index organised by gadget to help you quickly find your next recipe video. You can find them all at KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, and we would be honoured if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipe videos like this. So now let's get back to the food.
So to start with, your dish with your blueberries, and then grab your blueberry dish, and then you need a little bit of granulated sugar. And yes, you can swap this for caster sugar. If you're in the UK and you prefer it, you want 2 teaspoons worth on your blueberries, and then toss to coat, and then we're off in the microwave. So pop them in the microwave for 1 minute because it will help break them up a bit, and it just makes such a nicer blueberry ice cream. If your blueberries are frozen, then what we recommend is that you thaw them first before doing this. Oh, we have beautiful softened blueberries. Are you ready for them? Oh, wow, I love the colour of them. I love the way the juice is coming out, and this is brilliant for mixing in to your ice cream maker and getting that lovely colour on your blueberries. Oh. And this is brilliant for mixing into your ice cream base, and then you get the lovely colour of the blueberries. So just make sure they're nicely softened, which mine are. And then I recommend popping them in the fridge for a little while just to cool down a bit, because you don't want to be putting them in you don't want to be putting hot blueberries in your ice cream container. Now, ice cream container. And let's make the ice cream, shall we? So I recommend some scales because it makes it so much easier for popping your ingredients in, and then everything can happen on your scales. So let's start with the ingredient that makes this ice cream so amazing, and that of course is your condensed milk. Oh, seriously bad for you, but it tastes so good, doesn't it? So you want to start with about 100 ml. And then the cartons of these ingredients you buy, they're never the exact amount you need, so I might have to go into a second double cream. Or if you're in the US, double cream is the same as heavy cream, about 180 ml. So if you're on US cups, then that's 3/4 of a cup. I'm just going to use the spoon, scrape out a bit more. So as I expected, I'm into my next little portion of double cream. They only had little ones when we went shopping. I would have preferred a really big tub. So there we go. Then add in some vanilla. And then we don't need the scales now. So you can just pop it on your worktop. So now spoon in your blueberry mixture into your little ice cream cup. And then continue to stir. Oh, and I love the colour you get now. It's that beautiful colour that you associate with blueberry ice cream. And carefully do it. So wasn't that easy so far? And would you believe it, all you've got next to do is blend what's in there, and that's it. And then you can pop it in the freezer, and then you can come back tomorrow to, of course, blueberry ice cream. I mean, it's just brilliant. So stick blender all the way, they make your job so much easier. And of course we have got other ice cream recipes, both using the tub and doing it in a big bowl if you want to do a big batch of ice cream. So should we pop it in and get blending? It is done. We have finished blending it. It's a lovely blueberry colour as well. I just love the colour of it. So now you want to get your stick blender out, not make too much mess on your kitchen worktop. So I find it easier to disconnect it. Then if you have got any big lumps around the edges, you can use some kitchen towel, come paper towel, depending on what you call it. And then you can pop your lid on and we can get it in the freezer. I mean, wasn't that easy? Oh, look at the colour on that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Hey, it's Sam here and it's the day after. So shall we check on our lovely blueberry ice cream and see how it's doing? I'm really excited for this one because I just love the colours of it. And I've tried this one a few times now and it just tastes so good. And the kids always argue over who gets it as well, so that's always a good sign, isn't it? So this is what it looks like now, so nothing much to report. So you just want to pop it back into your main jug. You want to feel it, make sure it's secure. Pop your lid on. And then it's ready for going on. So get your ice cream maker out and let's do this. You want to pop it in. You want to click it up to the top, pop it on, and then you're looking for the ice cream button and press it. It's done, it's time. So shall we release it and see how it's doing? So to release, press your button at the left and then it will flip down and then you have it. So, oops, it stuck a bit to the top there. It's just so creamy is this one. I can see why everyone fights over this one. It is just lovely. So then if you have a closer look there, it's very well mixed, so it's not going to need a remix. So grab yourself your favourite bowl, or two, depending on how many you're having it. Grab your scoop. Oh, look at that beauty, doesn't that look good? I think out of all of them I've done, I find this one is the best to scoop, this style of ice cream. I can get it out, of course. Because a lot of the ice creams you do, they need to go back in the freezer to firm up a bit, but not these ones. These are really good. So if you look, you can feel just how hard, you can see from my touch just how hard these actually are. I mean, look at that, doesn't that look lovely? So of course you can also use your spoon, pop it out with. Look at that, plenty of ice cream there. What do you think? So of course you can top it with some extra blueberries if that's your thing. And then you have blueberry ice cream. I better try some, better I? This is a serious sugar hit. If you like your sugar. Oh my god. Oh, let me have a little bit more before I pass it on to the kids. So that is blueberry ice cream using your Ninja Creami. I mean, wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching, and now you've seen a glimpse into our ovenless world. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what I call one of our step-by-step instruction videos. If you would rather have short and sweet, don't forget to check out our shorts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to find videos quickly, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, you can see an A to Z list of all our YouTube videos, so you can find videos by Kitchen Gadget. And I'll see you again soon.